What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My nose is stuffed, but the gears are not gonna paint themselves. They're over there, as you can see. Okay, so I already went ahead and tag ragged it, and yeah, we are using Matterhorn white jet glow. Okay, and then your mixing ratio on this, that right there, should be, look, 1:1 on hardener, 1 of paint and 1 of hardener, and then 1 of reducer, because obviously, well, if you're a painter, you know. But anyways, that's the mix ratio of jet glow right there. 1 of paint, 1 of activator hardener, and then 1 of reducer to get the best what's it called, best result, or the best finish, basically. As you see, I got my mixing cup right there, and then my painting cup, as you see. Let me go ahead and fast forward this.
And then hardener, you're gonna want to do 2. Let me go get another little cup. Hardener, you want to do 1, my bad. There, 1. Pretty close. And then on reducer, you want to roll half. Like that. And don't forget to use accelerator if you want the paint to dry quicker. This is what we use right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying.
Alright, so this is the gun I'm using today, even though I already sprayed 2. So this is the first coat. I did a kind of heavy first coat, so all the stuff will cover. Like, I don't know if you can tell, there's like little scratches. I don't know. But yeah, let me go ahead and do one of these real quick so I can show y'all.